Today, I am going to be reviewing the new Oswego from Xero Shoes. And let me tell you, I'm super excited about this video because I love this company and I love their shoes even more. I've been an avid wearer of Xero Shoes for about 6 years now. And let me tell you this, I don't plan on going back to regular shoes anytime soon. And once you wear these, I'm sure that you'll feel the same way. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Mikey from Live Fit Academy. And if you're ready, let's let this unboxing begin. You ready? All right, the moment of truth. Let's let the unboxing begin. All right, so let me just peel back these layers of protective paper. And one thing you'll notice, within each box of Xero Shoes, you'll find this little card here with a little bit of extra information about your new shoes. I recommend reading the back so you can get the most out of your new Xero Shoes. So now that's out of the way, let's get to the fun part, the unboxing. Wow! So let me just tell you, these are looking pretty stylish here. I really love the knit material here, and one thing I love about all of the Xero Shoes here is that they can roll up like so. You'll also notice here is the trademark heel strap on all of the Xero Shoes here. This prevents your heel from sliding as you're walking, running, or doing any types of activities. Alright, so I'm ready to give these a test run now. So I'll be back in a few minutes and I'll let you know how I feel about them. Alright, I'm back. What did I think of the new Oswego by Xero Shoes? I absolutely love them. They're like wearing the most comfortable pair of outdoor socks imaginable. I took these out for a pretty hard test run, did some plyometrics, I even threw in a few handstands. And let me tell you, these didn't restrict my movement one bit. I was able to feel the ground underneath my feet, and the shoe felt nice and secure the whole time. There was no slipping on the heel whatsoever. If I could give this a rating, I would give it a 10 out of 10. So if you'd like to grab yourself a new pair of Oswegos by Xero Shoes, then go ahead and hit the first link in the description below. Till next time, Mikey out.